Hello users, welcome to Bikri. Hope you are safe and healthy. Today we are going to talk about your own aggregator mall. Yes, your very own online business in the form of a mall, just like Amazon, Swiggy or Zomato. Add countless online and offline merchants to your aggregator mall and promote them to get percentage commissions on each sale. You can set your aggregator in a way to earn lucrative commissions ranging from 10 to 30% per sale or even more. So let's start the demo and see how this works. We will go through Workars Mall to give an example. You can set your aggregator in many ways. We primarily see entrepreneurs like you have taken either a location online or a particular category. You can customize your mall as per your liking and the opportunity that presents in front of you. This includes your domain name, shops of your liking and target customers of that product. To explain to the customers that come to your online mall, you can add banners that will be visible at the top of your mall's webpage. You can add discounts, offer fast delivery coupons or any other information that will help engage the viewers. On scrolling, you can see categories of different stores on the left. As soon as you click on one particular category, the stores in that category start showing up. Suppose if we click on flower shops, you can see that 4 flower stores have opened in front of us. Now let's check out Plant Studio. You see all the products of that particular store visible on your screen. Let's build a cart from here as I like flowers. You can see the selected products are added here. Now we will click on Proceed to Checkout button. Here enter the basic information like personal details, delivery address and click on Pay at Delivery. Once the order is placed, you receive an SMS of the order. So this was the front end of your mall that your visitors will see. We can also help you customize the look and feel of your aggregator's website as per your business's requirements. Now let's have a look at the back end of your mall, from where you can manage all the operations and the activities happening on your online aggregator mall. Here we present you the dashboard. To add shops to your mall, click on My Products. Now tap on the green colored Add New button present on the right side of the screen. Just by filling in these basic details, you can add and make any shop live on your online mall in just a few seconds. Right below the My Product section, all the orders received by the stores are visible. Here you have the rights to accept or reject or view the order details on the behalf of your store. See, even the order that we just placed is visible on the screen. Similarly, in the same dashboard, you may access all the other features like customers, business reports, banner management. You can also add custom pages like About Us, Privacy Policy to your site by visiting the Pages section. Here we come to the end of the demo. Hope you have understood the model mentioned in this video. In case of any queries, please feel free to reach out to our sales representatives. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share your valuable feedback with us.